and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Windows Hello gives you a couple of options for signing in speedily and securely. Would you prefer to use your fingerprint or your face? Offers and suggestions that are tailored to you, just select Accept. Get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.